Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color of last page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove the color of last page. Go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all pages. Now we want to remove the last page color. Go to the last page and we can see here the layer section. Then we select the master pages layer and delete this layer. Select the delete option. Then check the all pages and we can see we remove the color only on last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.